this week's edition of Aviation News. On May the 13th, 2021, over Cherry Creek State Park, two General Aviation aircraft collided with each other. The two aircraft were preparing to land when the collision occurred. The aircraft involved in the incident were a Fairchild Swarringham Metroliner and a Cirrus SR-22. Shortly after the collision, the Cirrus SR-22 deployed its CAPS parachute system, and the Swarringham Metroliner made an emergency landing at the airport. Miraculously, no one was injured, surprising investigators. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Aviation News. Stay tuned. Goodbye.